Hi, here's a short tutorial about adding a photo gallery screen to your app. Let's say you want to add a portfolio of pictures that you've taken. To do so, we're going to add a screen called Photo Gallery. Scroll down through the templates to find that template and drag it to the gray box. We'll name it My Photos, since that is the name given to the button that we'll access it from. All we have to do here to import photos from our computer is to click the Add Photo button. This will open up a browse option for us to go into the computer and look for images that we want to use in our app. We have two options here. We can import them individually, or by holding the Shift key, select multiple images, click Open, and those images will be brought into the app's photo gallery screen. These photos, you'll notice, can have titles for each of the images, and image descriptions can be added as well. The photo gallery does a couple of things for us. One, it allows the end user to see full screen versions of the pictures that you have in your photo gallery simply by touching the thumbnail image. You can also, though, use the image that's now in your app to be used in different places, especially HTML-based screens. Clicking on the thumbnail will reveal a URL address on the right that is specifically tied to your app. Having that, you'll be able to import photos to HTML-based screens. Once you have your photos in place, click Attach, and then save the screen. Finally, return to, in this case, the home screen where the photo button is, and link that screen to the button. Don't forget to save again. And if you have your app preview code and you want to see what it looks like on your mobile device, be sure to click the refresh button as well. That's all there is to it. Good luck.